So let's talk about how to collate your customers' data and sales on Google Sheets. I believe that even if you are using an Android phone, there's also Google Sheet there. So all you have to do is go to your Google Play Store, or you go to your App Store, and then you search for Google Sheet. You see it. So this will help to keep your data together. So instead of you taking your book everywhere, or you are the type that always record your sales in a book, please just ditch it somewhere now and stop using it. You see this Google Sheet, wherever you are, you'll be able to access it. So, and you can also access this on your laptop. All you have to do is to go to Chrome and you search for Google Sheet. It will bring it out, so you're safe. So I love this app so much because it just keep all my files in the same place. So I started using this in 2022 and it has been helping my life so much. So I keep my stock list there. So if I'm going out now or I went out, and a customer, she messaged me that, oh, do you have this strapless brand so color? I don't have to be saying, oh, my book is at home, or be worried that I don't know the colors available. All I have to do is to go to the stock list on my Google Sheet, and I'll be able to see the colors and the size available. The only thing you just have to do if you're using this is, whenever you sell something, you always go back and edit it. You remove the numbers and also remove the colors that you just sold. So you can see all my customers data here, their names, where I got the order from, what they bought. So sometimes if I get the orders on WhatsApp, I get it on Instagram, I will also put it there. So in case I need to track them or I need to tell them something, I can easily just tell them. So this is me just showing you guys that I'm not telling you something that I'm not using. I'm showing you that I have been using this particular app since 2022. It was just someone that told me about it randomly, and I always use it. So even if I'm already done taking orders, because I always have new collection every month, so there are some months that I might not really record much sales because I don't have product on ground, and there are some months that we have like hundreds. So even if I have to check for how many sales I had that month, I'm not just thinking or just going to random books that I have at home. I already have everything in one place. So even if I travel to Mauritius today, or I travel to South Africa, I'm not worried that I don't know what is going on in my sales, because I have it available for me. So this is me just trying to show you guys how I record my sales. I'll put the date, put the time and everything. So let's start on how you can do your own. So all you have to do is to click on that plus sign, and let's just name this particular one content creation, so that we can just do this together. Let's just say content creation, and then we create. So when you get to this place, this is like a plain sheet for you when you want to use it. So you see this sheet one, just click on that drop down and you will see duplicate, delete, rename. So let's just name this one batch 1. You can name your own January, or you can say customers for this week, anyhow you want to name it. So let's just say we should write serial number here. So that upper part is where you put the things that you want to write under. So if you want to write names, you want to write how you got the order, you can say via which app. I always write via, which is VIA. Then I always write phone numbers there. I always write their username. So if they order on Instagram, I'll put it there. I'll put their username there. And also I like to put their location. And if they paid for delivery, I like to put it there. If they also tell me that they want to stockpile, I also like to put it there. So because we are doing content creation file, so that's why I'm putting name, business name, location, and assignment. So this is me just writing random data here just to show you guys how to make use of it. So there are also times that you write something and in that box you realize that it is too small for it. So all you have to do, you see all those alphabets at the upper part of this app, which is A, B, C, D. So you just click on it and it will highlight the whole page for you. So when it highlights it, all you have to do is to click on the mouse and move it to how wide you want it to be or how small you want it to be. It's actually very, very easy to use, and it will make your life and your business very easy for you. So I'm just trying to put the price that was paid for the class, just trying to put random data and show you guys that it is very, very easy to use. So now here I want to try and add more data, just to show you guys that even if you have 100 of data to impute, this particular app is going to take it. So if you have 1 million customers, you have 2 million customers, it will take this sheet. So even if you decide to travel today, there is no amount of customers data you want to put here that you'll not be able to put. So sometimes too, you want it to be colorful, you can add colors. So all you have to do is to click on that alphabet, and it's going to show you different things that you can play with. So this one that is looking like a small pail that is dripping water, dripping fluid, that is where you just add color. So this is me just trying to add random colors so that you know that it can also be very, very it is not always boring. You can always make it fun for yourself. So I'm just trying to show you that you can add as much as data that you want on this particular file. So even if you have a lot of customers, it will take it. You guys get? So even if you don't understand some things that I'm trying to show you here, or you want to understand more, you can always ask in the support group. But if you have this, trust me, your business life is going to be very sweet, because you know what you have on ground without taking your book everywhere. So even if you want to add maybe February or January, all you have to do is to click on that plus sign that is there, and then the same process that we did earlier, just write batch 2, you rename, and you continue with whatever you want to do. Like myself now, I always try as much as possible to have different page for January, February, March, so that if a particular customer should come and meet me and tell me that, oh, they bought something from me in February, they did not they want to collect it, and I know that I always collect money for overstockpiling. So all I have to do is to go to that February they mentioned, look for their name and confirm it. So that way I'll be able to search for their package very well. I will know where it is, and I'll be able to tell them, okay, this is the certain amount you're paying for overstockpiling. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So I'm just trying to put more data on the second file, and you can see the expanding dimension the other time. All you have to do is just to click on the alphabet. It's to show you a button or an arrow. Just click on it and drag it. That's all you have to do. See how simple and easy it is. So you can just do this. You can do this for any type of business. You can do this to record some things that you don't even think you want to record. You just want to have it as a file. So you can just play around with it and use it for your business. If you're doing sales too, instead of recording in a book, you can always record it here. And also you can also add other people to see the file. So if I want to add someone now to my mail, if I want to add someone now to this particular document, maybe I have a staff that I want them to always see what I'm trying to impute there, or probably I'm not around and they brought new products for me and I'm not in shop, maybe my staff is there, they can always record sales here and I'll be able to see it wherever I am. So far my data is on. I can always see whatever they input in this file, and it will help my life and also their life too. So you can see how easy it is to document data. So you can document your customers' data, you can document your sales here, so you can always track your sales at the end of every year and know the month that you did well, what you did differently, and what you can improve on. So let's move on to the next class.